So let me be very honest, I never planned to make this video because I have no idea how to actually gain 1000 subscribers. But luckily I did. As you all know, this is a motivational channel in which I try to inspire people. So why I am making this video right now? Because of you guys, because of the love and support that you have given me in this short period of time. So many of you guys have asked me that how did you gain 1000 subscribers in this short span of time? Many of you have messaged me, DM me, and asked me, how did you went from 0 to 1000 subscribers? So I thought, why not make this video? After all, I'm a motivational speaker, right? So if I can motivate you guys in helping you out, in pushing you towards making YouTube videos, and if you're struggling to gain 1000 subscribers, watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you tips and tricks which I did that gained me 1000 subscribers, as well as what you can actually do so that your channel can grow. So hey guys, my name is Vaiibhav Nigam. I'm a motivational speaker and author, and I hope that you're liking my videos. So do give me a big thumbs up, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and watch this video till the end so that you can understand the entire process completely. In this video, I will let you know all the details, everything, every step which I did, what are the gadgets that I used in making this video, how I write my YouTube videos, and what are the tips that I can give you so that you can also gain 1000 subscribers. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get down in my laptop and let me give you all the details, all the figures and facts of my YouTube channel that will help you in knowing my journey as a YouTuber. So let's get started. So this is my dashboard, and today is what? Today is 25th of June 2020, and I have gained right now 1141 subscribers. So if I talk about my YouTube journey, so let's get down to the YouTube videos, and my first video was on 1st of September 2019. Okay, so it's been 9 months as me as a YouTuber. So if you see my journey, I started on the 1st of September, then few of the videos I have made on the September, then there's a gap of 2 months because I was not taking YouTube in a very serious way actually. I will be very honest with you guys. I was not very much serious about it, and then I made few of the videos in December, then only one video in January, and only one video in February. Now, since March 20th, I tend to realize that I should be doing this very seriously. So from March 20th till this date, till this last video, June 22nd, I have been consistent. I've been making videos twice a week on a regular basis. And yes, if you have seen my earlier video, the starting one, I got 100 subscribers on March 17th and 1000 subscribers on June 15th. So in this short period of time from March to June, I gained around 9000 subscribers. Currently, I am on 1141 subscribers. If I talk about my analytics, it's growing around 413 subscribers. Watch time is also increased. And yeah, it's going pretty decent. So you have seen all the details of my short career as a YouTuber in which I have gained 1000 subscribers. So right now you must be asking a question. In this short period of 3 months, you have gained around 900 subscribers. Many of you took around 1 year to gain 1000 subscribers, right? So you got to understand one thing, that I have an audience. I have a decent audience in Instagram. Right now I have close to 13,000 subscribers in Instagram, and you also know that I'm a writer. So of course all these things also matter because I share my videos in Instagram. I also share my videos on Facebook. I also have a page in Facebook in which there are around 37,000 people which are following me. So you also got to understand one thing, whenever I'm posting a video on YouTube, I'm also sharing my videos in Facebook as well as in Instagram, and from that people are reaching, people are also subscribing. But you also got to understand one thing, that these two audiences are quite different. In Instagram, in Facebook, I am mostly an author, a writer. But here in YouTube, I am a motivational speaker. So these things also matter. I have seen many videos. If you go in the YouTube and type 0 to 1000 subscribers, there are many options right now which tell you a quick rich schemes, sort of, yeah, in which they tell you you can gain the subscribers in 15 days, in 1 week, in 10 days, which might work for you. But in the long run, it will never work. Believe me, it will never work. It's always the discipline, it's always the hard work that actually matters that can make you good in any field. So don't get into the traps of these YouTube videos in which they tell you all these tips and tricks that will help you in gaining YouTube followers in less than a week. That will never help, believe me, it's a fact. You need to be consistent, you need to be very practical about it, and you need to have a discipline, and you need to post videos on a regular basis. It might be once a week, it might be twice a week, it might be on a daily basis. But if you're telling your audience that you're going to upload it on a daily basis, then you should upload it on a daily basis no matter what. And the rewards will come in the future, not probably in the present, especially if you're new in the YouTube community. But in the coming time, surely you're going to get the rewards. Believe me. Now, the next question that many people ask me is, how do you write your YouTube content? So do you have this manuscript which you read in front of the camera? Or just you jot down the details? So my answer is, I don't Google stuff. All these things which I am telling you in this video is actually tried and tested. I don't Google them. I make videos with my own experience, all my past experience and all my learning. Like I've said, I'm an author, I'm a writer. So I read a lot, I write a lot, and all these things come naturally to me. So if I'm a motivational speaker, because I want to be a motivational speaker, I want to motivate people. If I can influence only one person, that I think my job has been done. This is what I really want to do in my life. So what I generally do is, I think about a main topic and jot down the pointers, the main headlines, the main headings, and then I just speak whatever my heart feels like. Right now, I don't have any script. I'm just speaking what I feel like. And that comes naturally. And I hope there's a connection out there. Because when you are natural, there is a connection. You can understand. You can feel that, right? And then the next question is, what gadgets do I use? So I'm going to give you a very quick sneak peek. So this is the mic in which I record all my audio, and this straight away goes to my laptop. This is the app which is called GarageBand. This is the patent app of the Apple in which I record my audio. This is my room which is only used for making YouTube videos. This is one umbrella light. This is the second umbrella light. And this is the Sony Alpha 6000 and with a very old tripod. So that's it, that's my gears. So very short and very simple gears which I use. I have this mic, this laptop, this camera, and these two umbrella lights. That's it. But the main magic is this. This is the green screen, right? In which I record the original videos. And then the magic happens like this. See? This software is called VideoScribe. It's a paid app in which I make animations according to the things which I'm speaking right now, right? And I'm going to give you a little of the sneak peek. So this is the app which is called VideoScribe, and in which I can make animations according to the things that I really want to. This is just a short example which I make just for this video, a very small reference. I can add emojis, I can add anything that I want to, right? Which you have already seen in my videos, and then I can play, and then I can record. I can write according to the things which I'm speaking right now. I can make all these animations according to the things which I'm speaking, and then when I finish, this is kind of an end result. And then the magic happens here in iMovie. It's an app, again, an Apple app, free of cost. I don't use any heavy versions, heavy apps like Final Cut Pro. I am very much comfortable in this app, and in which then I have to drag and drop this VideoScribe video with my video with a green screen, and then the magic happens with here. I can do green and blue screen, and ta-da, the magic happens here, right? And if I play, this is how the animation happens, right? So this is how I make my videos. So I hope you understand my process of making my YouTube videos. And now let's talk about you. If you're watching this video till this point, then I believe you are still struggling to gain 1,000 subscribers. So what things you can do to gain 1,000 subscribers? All I can tell you with my experience is, be real. Many people actually follow the trend. They want to be like a specific person, but that can only work for a short period of time. In the long run, it will never work. Like I've said before, why these kind of videos which tell you to gain followers in 15 days, in a week, make millions of views? Because people are desperate. Because people have the desperation of gaining popularity in a very short period of time. They don't want to work hard. But you got to understand one thing. If you want to be a long run player, then you got to have a discipline. Got to post videos on a regular basis. And what kind of videos? The videos that you really want to upload. Which means, which really comes from your heart. Like, I'm a motivational speaker. I want to do this. Nobody is telling me to do it. I really want to do it from the bottom of my heart. Same goes with you. Make these kind of videos that can actually improve other people's life, as well as in which you are also comfortable. Engage with the audience. You got to engage with the audience. You got to tell the people to really subscribe, hit like and share. There's no harm in it. And then you got to post them in the social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these things actually matters. Social media is a full-time job. You got to understand one thing, but it doesn't mean that you need to quit your job, quit your studies to be a full-time YouTuber. No, I'm not saying it. All you have to do is you have to be consistent. Stop wasting your time and utilize your free time in gaining knowledge and becoming a better person than before. Always try to be a better person than yesterday. This goes in your videos. You need to improve every time. Every time you are posting a video, you need to improve than before. I hope you understand everything, and I hope that you have gained knowledge from this video. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel. If you really like this video, do give me a hit. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do share it with your family and friends. And yes, thank you again for the 1,000 subscribers. It's not the end, it's just a beginning. And I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.